In this video, I will show you how to add a banner on Pinterest Mobile. So let's jump straight into it. Now, before we continue, I just want to note that you can only do this on a Pinterest business profile. If you've got a personal Pinterest, you're not going to be able to add a banner. So if you want to switch to a business account to add a profile, all you want to do is come into Pinterest, then press onto your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then what you need to do is come up to the top left hand corner, press onto your profile image, and then go into account management. From here, you're going to see an option to convert to a business account, so you want to give this a press, and then press the red convert account button. So what it's going to do is set up your business account, so you just need to follow the steps to set this up. So once you've converted your account to a business account, you can now go ahead and add a banner. Now to do this, again, come down and press onto your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, and again come up to the top left hand corner and press onto your profile image. From here, what you need to do now is press at the top where it says View Profile, and that's going to take you across to your profile page. Now on here, you want to press the Edit Profile button in the middle of the screen, and this way you can now come to add your profile banner. If you can't see the option to add it here, you can also do this on a mobile browser rather than the Pinterest app. So if you don't see the option available in the app, then just go ahead, open up a new mobile browser, and what you want to do is come across to pinterest.com. So you just want to enter that into the search box and go across to pinterest.com and then follow the same steps to add a banner. So that is how to add a banner on Pinterest Mobile. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.